Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba has been nominated as a member of the India Nordics Parliamentary Friendship Group constituted by the Parliament of India to strengthen legislative engagement and international cooperation. The India Nordics Parliamentary Friendship Group aims to enhance bilateral relations with Nordic countries including Sweden, Norway, Finland, Denmark and Iceland. These groups are formed to promote people-to-people ties, diplomatic goodwill and collaboration across political, cultural and economic sectors. Parliamentary friendship groups typically comprise members of parliament from both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha who represent India's interest while fostering stronger bilateral engagements. The nomination is seen as significant as it places a member of parliament from the Northeast state in an international legislative engagement forum, potentially increasing visibility for regional issues on the global stage.